Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, and actually ads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning July the 4th to the 10th using this Sunset Beach kit from CaressPress. This is from CaressPress. Sorry, I got confused for a second. And I paired it with some foil from PlanWithAds, and this was in the coral colour, and I did the build your own foil bundle thing. So I kind of had to cut up some of the underlays again this week because of course I have 50,000 extenders, so I needed to use some cut up underlays, and I think I used some headers as well as like half cut headers, and I might have had some extra underlays that I bought because I bought a lot of extra like confetti underlays in all of the colours so I could have them. So I think I did a mixture of those things. Of course I colour blocked again because look at the colours of this kit. Who wouldn't colour block? And luckily the green colour was already in the middle, so I could use the date covers. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I always end up being quite ahead of myself, so I'm just going to start talking through the day by day now. So in the sidebar, I noted that I got into the Happy Sticker Designed PR team this week. So if you don't already know, I am on her PR team, so use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off of your order and to get my foiled freebie, which is in rose gold. And her rose gold is, I think in my opinion, like a really true rose gold. It is got hints of pink, but it's not pinky like SBC one. It's just like a good rose gold in my opinion. Anyways, I then noted that it was the 20th week of my maternity leave with a week 20 script from PMD stickers and a Bella Planella sticker to note that. Okay, so let's get started with the day by day. On Monday the 4th of July, I used the alarm clock icon from the kit and an up early script from PlanWithAds to note waking up early. I then marked this going for a walk with this Stick with Blanco girl and a walk script from Temp Loves Craft. I then marked a long wait at the GP with this crying girl from Fox and Cactus. In the extender, I marked that while we were waiting, Malik had a poop explosion with this poop icon from SBC and a diaper explosion again script from the Honeybee shop. I then used this injection icon from PlanWithAds to note that he had his third injection. Then noted that he was really upset afterwards with this crying sticker from Paper Dolls Co. and a Malik Fussy script from Tilly Journals. The bottom half of the day I noted giving him all the cuddles with this Teddy Plans sticker and a Cuddle Malik custom script from Tilly Journals. I then marked he took a nap, like a really long one, with this Sleeping Baby from Glam Planner and a nap script from Carly Plans. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper Milk and a binge watch script from McPlans. And then finally I marked watching Love Island with a TV icon from PlanWithAds. Moving on to Tuesday, at the top of Tuesday I marked waking up early with an alarm clock icon from PlanWithAds. I then noted some Daddy Son Time with this Paper Shire character and a Daddy Son Time script from Sweet Ava's Paper. And we had taken a nap while he was with his dad with this Scribbler sticker from SBC and a cat nap script also from SBC. I then noted going on a nursery visit with this Goldman and Coco patent sticker and a With Malik custom script from the Planner Pixie Co. I noted seeing an ex co-worker with this heart icon from the PlanWithAds icon sheet. I noted coming home and having a bagel with this Benevious Creation bagel sticker. In the extender on Tuesday, I marked watching Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from PlanWithAds. I then marked getting into the Happy Sticker Designs PR team with this Paper K sticker. So use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off of your order at the Happy Sticker Designs. I then used this laptop icon from SBC to note designing my freebie. And then I marked watching Love Island again with a TV icon from PlanWithAds. Moving on to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I marked cuddling my son with this Whimsy sticker and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Tilly Journals. I marked eating some more bagels with a bagel sticker from Benevious Creations. Next, I marked watching Heart of Dixie again with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Then I marked it was really, really hot with a sun icon from PMD Stickers. And I marked having to drive my mum somewhere for emergency with the car icon from the Planner Hannah icon sheet. Okay, moving further down, I used this phone from Carly Plans Note calling our solicitors about the mortgage stuff. I noted cooking dinner with this sticker from Carly Plans and a cook dinner script from Make Plans. Next, I noted packing up our stuff from our house share with a donate, keep, toss box sticker from I don't know where this is from, but it's in Premium Matte. I'm not sure where that sticker is from. I then used a TV icon from Plan Hannah again to note watching more Love Island. Then I marked binge watching more Plan With Me with a sticker sheet sticker from SBC and a binge watch script from Make Plans. And then I noted getting back home late with a house icon from the foil bundle. Well, from the Plan Hannah foil bundle. Moving on to Thursday, I noted being super tired with this Mama is Tired sticker from from the Honeybee shop, that's what it's called. I then used a bagel sticker again from Beneva's Creation to mark having bagels. I marked cuddling my baby boy with this Fox and Cactus fox and a little fox sticker and a script from TV Journals. I marked more Heart of Dixie with a Planner Hannah TV. In the extender, I marked a Plan With Me binge with a script from Make Plans and a planner from Paper and Milk. I marked doing some laundry with a washing machine sticker from SBC and a laundry script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted hanging the clothes out to dry with this sticker from Fox and Cactus. I noted doing some planning with a Oso Paper Girl and a planner session script from Sugar Box Stickers. And then I noted organising my stickers with a sticker with a Planco Girl and an organised sticker script from Planner Hannah. And then I marked running some errands with these trainer stickers from SBC and a run errand script from Happy Sticker Designs. At the end of the day, I marked that Malik was fussy with this crying baby munchkin and a script from Tilly's Journals. I marked getting some takeout with this icon from Planner Hannah and watching Love Island with a TV, also from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Friday. So on Friday, I marked that it was the day of Arafat with a Quran sticker and a script from Rose Colored Days. I noted that Malik woke up at 2 a.m. to have a good old chat with this sticker from Papershire, and then I noted that I was super tired with another sticker from the Honeybee shop. Marked cuddling with Malik with this whimsy sticker and a script from Tilly's Journals. And then I marked having a planner session with a Fox and Cactus Girl and a planner session script from what's it called? Sugar Box Stickers. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from I forgot what this shop is called. I can't seem to remember it, sorry. And then I'm doing some laundry with a laundry basket sticker from Planner Hannah and a laundry script from Planner Hannah. I noted folding the laundry with a SBC script and laundry sticker. I noted that this was the first time that Malik sat up with this sticker from Beneva's Creation and a script from Adobe Amy Designs. And then I noted doing some memory planning with a sticker from Stick With A Planco and a memory plan script from Carly Plans. And then I noted it being super hot again with this sun icon from the GP Studio. I noted getting some kebab with this plate and cutlery icon from Planner Hannah. And then finally watching Love Island again with another Planner Hannah TV. Moving on to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I marked that it was Eid with another Quran sticker. I don't know where those stickers are from, I don't remember. And a script from Rose Colored Days. I marked waking up early with this Sweet Ava's paper cat. And then I noted hanging up the clothes that I washed the day before with this Stick With A Planco Girl. I marked getting ready with this hanger sticker from SBC. And I marked going for Eid prayers with this girl from Make Plans. I noted FaceTiming Malik's grandma, not my mum, my mother-in-law with the FaceTime sticker from GP Studio and with, grandpa, my dad, with a grandpa script from Planner Hannah. I then noted making a PR post with a laptop icon and a PR post script. The PR post script is from Bella Plan Ella and the laptop is from Planner Hannah. I noted going to a barbecue with this Lena Designs girl and a BBQ script from SBC. I used this balloon icon from left over from a kit, I think. To note that he went to his first party, it was an Eid party. I marked that he was super fussy with this paper shire girl and a script from Tilly Journals, and he's going home and having some family time with this family time sticker from Make Planned and the character sticker from Plan of Paper Shire. Gosh, this is so hard. And then I use a pillow icon from, where is it from? The Honeybee Shop, I think. And a Tired as a Mother script, also from the Honeybee Shop, to know I was super, super tired. Moving on to Sunday, I marked being tired again with a Honeybee Shop sticker, and then FaceTiming his grandma with a phone icon from Goldman and Coco and a with grandma script from Planner Hannah. I then marked planning our trip that we didn't end up taking, but we were planning it with the aeroplane sticker from Planner Hannah and a planned script from Make Planned. I noted that my husband had driving lesson with a car icon from Carly Planned, and then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper Milk. I then noted a PR post with a Instagram icon from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a PR post script from Bella Planner. I noted watching more Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Next I noted doing more laundry, which never ends when you have a kid, with a washing machine icon from the kit and a laundry script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then marked some Daddy Son time with this sticker from PMD Stickers and script from Sweet Ava's Paper. I noted editing some videos with the movie clapper icon from Planner Hannah and an edit script from Planner Face. And then finally I marked getting some Starbucks with this Sadie Joy cup from Make Plans and a Starbucks script from Planner Hannah. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below to let me know what you thought of this spread. I'm going to show you guys a wiggle and flip up all my thousands of extenders and show you what was left of the kit. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.